Here it is, the Apple Watch Series 4, 44 millimeters. I opted for the gold stainless steel version with the stone sport band. Now, out of Apple's keynote, this was for sure the product that everybody was wanting to get their hands on. So let's get to unboxing it. If you like Apple as much as I do, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for future videos just like this on all the latest from Apple. So here it is, the Apple Watch Series 4. I got the 44 millimeter gold stainless steel with the stone sport band. Now it opens up, and this is brand new packaging for the Apple Watch. As you can see, the watch comes in this box, and right below it, they have the box that includes the band. So let's open the box with the watch. So here it is, the Apple Watch Series 4. It comes in this little pouch this year, and on the back it says 44 millimeters, and it feels really nice to the touch. And look at this thing. It is really, really nice. This year, Apple redesigned completely the back of the watch. It now is just pure sapphire and black ceramic covering the back of the watch. It has the heart rate sensor, and then around it, it has the electrodes that will eventually, later this year, be able to take an ECG right from your wrist. That red dot on the side, and now it's very subtle, very nice. They also moved the microphone on this side from the other side. I'm going to pop the watch back in this pouch and see what else comes in the box. You have your standard designed in Apple in California pamphlet full of directions. You have your standard 5-watt charger, and you have the charging cable that connects to it. And if you get the stainless steel version like this one, it comes with stainless steel on the actual charger itself. A really nice touch. Now, like I said before, I got the Stone Sport Band. I think that these bands are really comfortable. Plus, I'm going to show you in an upcoming video on how to save on accessories for all of your Apple products. Get paperwork with it. And here it is. Now I always use the medium large, but it also comes with the small medium if you need it. And there it is. Off with the old. On with the new. Get this paired up and I'll be right back. So when the Apple Watch is done setting up, it'll just say it's ready to press the digital crown. We do that, you get a nice audible tone, and it goes straight to the watch face. Enjoy this unboxing. Make sure you like and subscribe for future Apple videos, reviews, speed tests against the Series 3 Apple Watch, and a whole lot more. Peace.